In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop background apps in Windows 11. If your computer feels slow right after startup, or you notice too many programs opening automatically when you turn your PC on, this is a simple setting that can help. In Windows 11, many apps are allowed to launch in the background as soon as the system starts. While some of them are useful, others may not be necessary right away, and turning them off can help your computer start faster and feel less cluttered. To begin, open the Settings app on your Windows 11 computer. This is where you can manage many of your system preferences, including which apps are allowed to start automatically in the background. Once you're in Settings, look for the Apps section and click on it. This area controls app-related features, and it's the place you'll need for this adjustment. After that, select Startup. This section shows you a list of apps that are currently allowed to launch when your PC boots up. You may be surprised by how many programs are set to run automatically, even if you don't use them every day. Common examples include chat apps, music services, gaming launchers, and other utility tools. Now take a moment to look through the list and identify the programs you don't need running immediately when Windows starts. For any app you want to disable, simply toggle the switch to off. When the switch is turned off, that app will no longer launch automatically during startup. It can still be opened normally whenever you choose, so you're not uninstalling anything or removing access to the program. You're just preventing it from using system resources before you actually need it. As you go through the list, try to leave on anything essential that you rely on right away, such as security software or tools you use every time you start your computer. For everything else, turning startup off can be a good way to improve performance and reduce distractions when you first sign in. Once you've switched off the apps you don't need, you can close Settings. The changes take effect the next time you restart your PC. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same startup page and turn any app back on. That's all there is to it. This is one of the quickest ways to take control of background apps in Windows 11 and make your startup experience a little cleaner and faster.